Hello, fun family. Welcome to another Ashley Fun Time video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make paper beads by hand, which means no tools required. Like, you don't have to have this tool. I made this tool. It is to roll paper beads up. You don't have to have this tool, and you don't have to have a toothpick or a chopstick, or, well, you may need to have a tip of a paintbrush just to get the holes nice and neat, but you just need like the tip of a paintbrush, and that's it. So that's what this video is going to be about today. So let's get started. You're also going to be needing some glue. I have a glue stick, or you could use some of the school glue to glaze it. You don't have to. This is Mod Podge. It's matte. It's the matte kind, but I'm not going to be glazing mine. So I may use this, but I'm pretty sure I'm just going to be using the glue stick. So let's get started. Oh, yeah, and we'll need scissors. So what we're going to make is we're going to be creating triangles that look like this, long triangles. And we're gonna, this is magazine paper. This is from a Harbor Freight tool disposable notice coupon booklet. See? And I just tore a page out, and we're gonna be using that as our paper beads. You could also use magazine pages just from a regular old magazine. You don't have to use this. Just get whatever paper you can find that is easy to roll up. If you have a paper that can roll up, you can make a bead out of it. So we're going to be using our glue stick, and we're just going to roll the glue stick up. I want to make sure I have more than enough. So you need to cut it into a triangle. I always like to start at the tip and work my way outwards. So you have one triangle done, and this, how wide the triangle is will determine the width of your bead. And the length will determine how thick the bead is. So we're just gonna start rolling it just like this. We're just gonna start rolling the paper, and that's all we're doing. And then we're gonna pick it up, and then we're gonna start rolling it this way. And you want to make sure that it's in the center, that this is in the center. This is quite a long bead. And at this point, I'm going to flip it over and put glue on it. Let's see. I just use my glue stick. We're just gonna continue rolling. And that's it basically. So that is it. That's really easy. You have your tiny hole. If you want the hole bigger, then you simply just roll it up. Like, for example, if you wanted the hole to be bigger, you would roll it up like that, and then you see how the hole is much bigger. You can do that. Or if you wanted it really small, you could just start out really small and then work your way up that way. So yeah, that was my video on how to roll beads by hand. And all of these beads here, all of these, they were rolled by hand too. And the reason for the paintbrush, the end of the paintbrush, is you stick the end of the paintbrush through the hole and you twist the paintbrush. Then you take it out, and that just makes the hole much more neater, and sometimes the tops can be crushed up, so that just makes them better. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video today, and please subscribe, join the fun family. Also, like this video if you liked it. Also, please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!